Alam kong na-miss nyo ang gala natin. Kaya ngayon, dadalhin ko kayo sa isang dinarayong kainan. At syempre, hindi pa rin mawawala ang kulitan at kwentuhan with barkada. Gusto mo bang gumala? Pero walang makasama. Ako na ang bahala. Tara, sagot ko na. Dito lang pala yan matatagpuan sa Bag and Chick na located sa San Pedro, Laguna. Itong September 2 lang, nagkaroon sila ng announcement sa last day ng kanilang store. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nito magpapaalam na sila. Ilipat lang sila sa bagong location ng store. Oops, teka, hindi lang naman ito ang kanilang store. Kaya bisitahin yung kanilang Facebook page for more location. Anli Wings, Anli Bagnet Sisig, at Anli Fries lang naman ang kanilang ino-offer dito. Nakakaputok-batok talaga. Pero game tayo dyan! So guys, nandito po kami ngayon sa Bag and Chicks na located sa Barangay San Antonio, San Pedro, Laguna. At kasama ko sina... I'm Joe. Right. Princess. Then.
And I'm I.
Yun. So, bali itatry namin ngayon ang kanilang Anli Wings, Anli Bagnet, and Anli Sisig nila. So, ready na ba kayo guys?
Yeah.
Let's go! Sir. Tara! Kain ng time na sa Bag and Chick! Samahan niyo ko at aking mga barkada na tikman ang nagsasarapang pagkain sa store na to. Alam niyo ba sa halagang 279 pesos ay matitikman niyo na ang lahat ng to? Sulit talaga no? Kaya tiyak na mapapasarap ang kainan ng barkada. Siyempre, pagdating sa flavor ng chicken, ano nga ba ang pinaka-the best? At ayon sa aming ratings, ang aming napili sa kanilang best flavor ay ang honey mustard, garlic parmesan, at honey barbecue na talagang babalik-balikan mo sa sarap! Kwentuhan time na with Barkada. Tara na at ating alamin ang kanilang opinyon sa iba't ibang usapin na napapanahon ngayon.
I'll go for diploma because everyone has diskarte already, right? Higher education you have, much better yung diploma, much better din yung diskarte. Mas maraming opportunities, mas maraming skills. So, we'll go for diploma.
Yeah, I'll go for diskarte. But I think that we need to stop the stigma na dapat ma-discarte ka. Of course, we need a diploma, no? But here in the Philippines, I think that they also need to focus on all of the people na maging educated talaga. So, yeah. But of course, we need to start with diskarte, how you go through your life. Kasi for ako personally, that's what I used. That's why I was able to get that diploma. But without the diskarte, I'll not get the diploma. So, yeah. So, work, mama. Sorry. I'll go with diskarte.
I do really love luck, yes. Because I think I was fortunate in lucky my entire life. Sorry. I feel like, I've been through many hardships, but I would say, must have overweight yung mga masasayang bagay na I think I was lucky. Parang, I wouldn't say fall into places all the time, pero ang daming pangyayari na bigla na lang nangyari. So I think it's lucky. But I wouldn't say I wouldn't bet all my chances on luck. I wouldn't clear that out na lahat din na pinaghirapan din ako. But I would say na factor doon talaga is luck. Yeah, that's just how I feel. I don't know how to explain.
Yung hindi mo hininga, tapos biglang dumating sa'yo.
Parang ganyan. Oo, tapos bigla din naman. Sabi pa lang.
Doon naman yung parang support na rin sinabi mo, yung sinabi mo, yung parang may gagawin ka sa buhay, parang 99% parang preparation pa rin, parang 1% lang lang.
But you believe.
Yes.
Ako, yeah, I also believe in luck, but I also believe that we must not highly depend on it. Like how other people believe in luck. Kasi meron ng parang sobrang dumedepende na lang sa swerte. They're not doing anything to get what they want. Sabi nga sa Miss Universe, sabi ni Gloria Diaz, Yes. Diba? All of the ladies, kasi pag pali ka ng pageant, all of the ladies are qualified to become Miss Universe. It's just gonna be luck. If you're gonna be, if the stars will align that night for you, then it will be for you. But yeah, I believe in luck. I mean, I also believe that I've been bumped by luck multiple times before. Kahit na yung mga susugat ka sa mga Color King, yung mga simple yung mga simple yung gano'n. So, what if ba yung mga talagang swerte ka sa buhay?
I believe in luck 100%. Kaya, I'll start from conception. I mean, I'll start from there. Meron din ba mga pinapanganak with the golden spoon? May pinapanganak na kailangan bang mga bako just to be there. So, I believe in luck for those na pinanganak with their silver and gold eyes. And at the same time, I believe in luck para dun sa kumura bako and nalagdagan ng luck para makasabay dun sa binigyan ng golden and silver. Me, being on that, I think silver spoon when I was born. Feeling ko, I was lucky. Yeah. That's lucky. So that's luck.
Sige, preface daw ng relasyon, no? Nasabi ko na siya na pinapatawad ko siya, pero I was lying to myself pala, hindi pala. For the sake lang na matapos yung sinabi ko lang na pinapatawad ko siya. But since what you mentioned earlier, nabubrat up ko pa rin. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ko ulit pala siya napapatawad. So ngayon, masasabi ko, hindi ayaw magpatawad, no? But I will cut ties. The same. I will cut ties. I will not tolerate you. I will not even gonna give you a chance to talk to me anymore. So, hindi pa ako para mag-hold ng grudges para ako lang mabubwisit. Pero hindi kita pinapatawad, kakalimutan na kita agad. Pero which is hindi rin naman makakalimutan. Napag-uusapan pa rin naman. Pinapalitan ko yung sarili ko. Huwag yun na ako isali sa
Sobrang hirap kalimutan pagka nasaktan, pag nasaktan ka, right? Yeah, you cannot unlove, lalo kung ang cause ng hurt sa'yo kung ba't di ka makapagpatawad is because you're deeply in love with the person. Kasi sabi naman nila, di ba, the only person that can hurt you is the person you love. You care, because you care about them a lot. So, if it's just like, kunwari ginawan ka ng istorya ng kawork mo, that will not make sense to you. I mean, that will not hurt you deeply because it's just them.
A forward.
Right?
Yeah.
And
Who are you?
if it's like blood related, if it's one of your closest friends, if it's your old lover, that hurt, it that deep eh. Kaya,
It's different.
sobrang swerte nyo.
Pero ang gaan din kasi sa pakiramdam na nagpatawad ka.
Oo, and it's for them naman eh. If you're gonna repeat the same in the same situation, then it's up to you, di ba? Basta ako, I forgive you for what you've done to me, and it's up to you. It's for you to decide kung gagawin mo ulit.
What if
If you
you do
would
it?
probably ask me that 5 years ago, I would probably say the same. But I've been through so many things in life.
Because it's the same person, it's the...
But I'm not just talking about one person. It's generally. For life in general. And mostly naman, yung mga pinapatawad ko ngayon, wala na kaming connection. Parang okay. Pinapatawad kita. Sabi na, sorry ka pa. Ayun.
Ulit ka pa?
Yeah, for me, I think kung bakit siya mahirap. Kasi yung iba kasi ina-ask siya real time. Diba? But you don't need to say sorry just because people around you are pressuring you to say it. It takes time for you to be prepared to say sorry. Pero ako, I can say sorry genuine. Naiiyak nga ako pag nagsasorry ako. Kasi sobrang genuine na niya pag nagsorry ka. So, especially, it depends on the level of what you've done to a person, diba? Or to the level of kung ano man yung nagawa mo sa tao, kung ganun din yung level ng sorry mo. So, if it's something deep, it's harder to say it. But you need to say it, especially kung ikaw yung may kasalanan, di ba? So ako, if I know to myself that I did something wrong, then I can say sorry. It's just really hard for me. There are times ka na kapag nagsasorry ako, let's say sa amin, sa relationship namin, sinusulat ko siya because it's not easy for me to say it verbally. O, tapos nilalagay ko sa Pringles. Tapos nakalagay, sorry, bad boyfriend. Charing. Ayun. So, oo, nagsasorry ako pag alam kong mali ako. Pero minsan, kahit alam kong mali ako, charing naman. And then, not just in lagi siyang tama.
True or false? Ay, dahil sa sorry.
I can say sorry na. The moment that I say sorry, it's really genuine. Kasi nga, di ba, sobrang bihira ako mag-sorry. So, the moment I say it,
Yun na yun.
oo.
That's it.
Ayun, parang hindi din naman ako pala sorry, pero parang sa akin hindi siya hard, lalo na't alam mo na parang mali ka naman.
Ako, regardless how small or big, I will say sorry now. Because I experienced on the receiving end na nag-iintay ng sorry. So, ayoko mangyari yun sa iba, kaya ako ang magsasorry. Pag alam kong may mali, maliit man o malaki, magsasorry na ako. Di na para ano pa na, alam niya na yun na sorry ako. No, sasabihin ko talaga.
Sa akin, sorry is, ayun, unless it's genuine, it will not and will never come out of my mouth. The only time na magsasorry ako is if alam kong ako yung may kasalanan, if alam kong may nasaktan ako, or if alam kong ako yung pinagmulat nung conflict. But if it's something na wala akong kasalanan, bahala ka sa buhay mo.
Tara, maglaro muna tayo. Simple lang ang mechanics ng game. Kung sino ang pinakamaraming points, siya ang makakasama natin on our next episode. What does DNA stands for?
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
How many bones does a human have in their body?
116, 72,
109.
So there are 206. Who was the person who discovered the concept of gravity?
Albert Einstein.
Isaac Newton. It's Isaac Newton. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Hardest substance on Earth.
Iron.
No. Gold.
Diamond.
It's diamond. What is the biggest planet on our solar system? Benz.
Jupiter.
How many teeth does an adult human have?
32.
What does USB stands for?
Ano?
USB.
Universal Serial Box.
Okay, it's the time.
Alam makakalimutan.
For overall experience, Dagon Chicks receives a 4 out of 5 ratings from our gang. Subukan nyo na rin at tikman ang kanilang nagsasarapang pagkain. Kaya ikaw, gusto mo bang gumala? Pero walang makasama. Ako na ang bahala. Tara, sagot ko na.